Hello and welcome to Ocean Interaction, your go-to channel for all the things game and game development. So today I am starting a new series based on Homemade Heroes YouTube channel. Link is in the description. So basically I have started learning game from scratch from this tutorial series, and this tutorial series is for me to remember what I have learned and summarize what I have learned from this entire 1 or 2 hour tutorial. So this is kind of summarize for me or for my future self who might forgot what I have learned in this tutorial series. If it help you too, you are more than welcome to watch it. But this is for kind of like a personal log for me to remember what I have learned in this tutorial series. So let's get started. I have just finished the first lecture and this is what I have learned today. I have learned how to create and show message box. So I will be creating Visual Studio 2023 project and try to follow exactly what I have shown in the tutorial, but I will make some changes because it is using a different IDE and I am using Visual Studio 23 entirely. So I will be making changes as for the what required. So let's get started. First step is to create a Visual Studio project. Create a new project of type empty project C++ Windows console. I will open up this project. First step is to set up the subsystem as in Windows, because by default it starts with the console subsystem, which does not work with the window creations. So go to project, right click and go to properties, go to linker, systems, and set the subsystem as Windows subsystem. Okay. Next, I have to add a library called user32. For that, go to properties, linker, input. From additional dependencies, click on this drop down button, click on edit and write it down user32.lib. OK, apply and OK. Next, I will include this Windows header file, and then I will create this winMain default function for creating a Windows. Then I will use this function message box to show a message box. That's it for the first lecture. Now let's compile and run it, see how it looks. As you can see, when I run this program, I get this pop-up message box saying whatever the message I have written right here. This is so something like this is a message and title shows here, and one button for OK and one image icon for icon information shows here. So let's press OK, and that's it for the first tutorial.
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ocean Interaction for more exciting content. What should we make a video on next? Let us know in the comments below. Until then, happy gaming, everyone!